Hey guys, how's it going? Andy Patlan out here on a beautiful Sunday afternoon, selling real estate 7 days a week. ¿Cómo están mis amigos? Andy Patlan, su Realtor Latino, vendiendo bienes y raíces, casas, terrenos, trailers, 7 días a la semana. We are out here today, guys, off of 812, 71, and 21, right in between Bastrop and Austin, and we've got a beautiful, beautiful house, one of a kind, único en su clase, that we're going to show you today. 3-bedroom, 3 full baths, 1 acre. These are the type of properties that we bring to market, these special one-of-a-kind, custom-built homes. Estos son los tipos de casas que les queremos mostrar cada semana, 7 días a la semana, señores. Esta casa, 3 recámaras, 3 baños enteros en un acre construida en 2009. Síguenme, por favor. Follow me, guys. Let's see what's got. Look at this. Pásenle, por favor, eh? Oh, wow. Look at this beautiful, beautiful home. This is wood tile, so it is a tile. It looks like wood, it mimics wood, but it is tile. Look at that, formal dining, guys. Imagine a Thanksgiving here. Imagine a Christmas feast. Bring your family. Tráete a la familia. Imagínate aquí estar en el día de pavo, en Navidad, con la familia. Look at these beautiful granite countertops. Tapas de granito. Look at las camas aquí. Beautiful chandelier lights, teardrop lights. Gorgeous, guys. One of a kind, único en su clase. These are the type of homes we love to bring to market. Something you're not going to see every day. This house has 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, so it's got a full downstairs bath area. Construida en 2009, constructed in 2009. Look at that, guys. Custom bathroom. Beautiful custom bathroom. We've got hardwood floors throughout. They even went hardwood on the stairs. You've got this custom railing, iron rod railing. Beautiful, beautiful home. The details, los detalles son lo que se vende en la casa. Pásenle por favor para que les muestre más. Mira qué tan amplio. Mira qué tan amplio, señores. Look at how wide, how spacious. This is not your standard 10 by 10, guys. We're probably looking at a good 15 by 15 on this. Here's your second main bath, okay? And every room nicely decorated, nicely done. Again, you got this custom paint throughout. 1 acre of land, un acre. Sin asociación, no HOA. Beautiful, beautiful home. Look at this, guys. Custom ceilings, okay? Custom vaulted ceilings. There we go, guys. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful master bedroom. You've got access to the balcony here. Let me show you guys. We'll just come in and out. Look at that. Look at that. You've got straight access to the balcony. Aquí se toman tu café, tranquilo. Imagínense aquí, sin cualquier problema. ¿Para qué quieren estar en la ciudad cuando les podemos vender algo así? And get this, guys, it's got an extra room as an office space for all of those that want to work at home, work from home. Beautiful little office space. Beautiful, beautiful living area. Imagine your team here. Plenty of space. This is like a 60-inch TV, guys. You can fit it in your utility room off to the side here for your washer and dryer connections. And it actually wraps around and goes back to the garage. You've got a 2-car, 1-car garage in this home. Un acre de terreno, sin asociación. Esto es lo que le hicimos ranch living, ¿verdad? Viviendo en el rancho. Les digo, señores, háblenme hoy si quieren ver esta casa, otra, cualquier otra casa, trabajando con ustedes 7 días a la semana. I'm here for you today. So guys, with this, please call us. This is located again off of 2171 812. Located right outside of Bastrop, in between Austin and Bastrop. Guys, working for you 7 days a week. Call me, háblenme. 7 días a la semana. 512-784-0048. 512-784-0048. Andy Patlan, your Realtor Latino, your Realtor for life.